Are your cycling shoes holding back your performance or causing discomfort during long rides? The right pair improves your pedaling efficiency, comfort, and overall experience. In this video, we review and rank the top 5 best cycling shoes based on build quality, materials, and real-world value. From high-performance carbon fiber models to beginner-friendly options from trusted brands like Shimano, we compare every feature to find your perfect fit. Let's get started. Number 1. ROCKBROS Professional Cycling Shoes, CR5. The ROCKBROS CR5 is designed for riders who want carbon-level performance without spending too much. It comes with a T500 carbon fiber outsole that increases stiffness and helps transfer power more efficiently into every pedal stroke. The PU upper gives a solid, durable structure while still keeping the shoe comfortable for long rides. One of its key highlights is the knob buckle system, which allows quick tightening and fine adjustment even while riding. At around 440 G, size 42, it stays lightweight enough for training, commuting, and weekend road rides. It also works with SPD self-locking pedal systems, making it practical for both beginners and intermediate cyclists. Pros: lightweight design, carbon sole, easy buckle adjustment, good value. Cons: slightly narrow fit for wider feet. Who's it for? Beginner to intermediate riders. Final verdict: a strong value shoe that delivers solid performance and everyday usability. Number 2. Shimano RC502/RC503 Road Bike Shoes. The Shimano RC502 and RC503 are built for cyclists who want a noticeable upgrade in comfort and performance. They feature a carbon fiber reinforced sole that improves stiffness, helping you get more power out of each pedal stroke. The upper uses Shimano's wrap-style design, which fits the foot closely and reduces pressure points during long rides. These shoes are made for serious training, long-distance cycling, and consistent performance. They feel stable when climbing or sprinting and remain comfortable even after hours on the bike. Pros: excellent power transfer, comfortable fit, durable build, premium quality. Cons: higher price than entry-level shoes. Who's it for? Intermediate and advanced cyclists. Final verdict: a reliable all-round performance shoe for serious road riders. Number 3. Santic Carbon Fiber Road Cycling Shoes, enthusiast 24046W. The Santic enthusiast 24046W is a race-focused cycling shoe built for speed and efficiency. It uses a full carbon fiber outsole with a 14 hardness rating, giving it very high stiffness for maximum power transfer. The air mesh upper improves airflow, helping keep feet cool during long and intense rides. Inside, the EVA insole adds basic cushioning without reducing performance feel. The shoe is extremely lightweight, which helps reduce fatigue on long rides. However, it does fit slightly smaller than normal sizing, so many riders prefer going half a size up. Pros: very stiff sole, ultra-lightweight, strong ventilation, race-ready design. Cons: runs small in size. Who's it for? Racers and performance cyclists. Final verdict: a lightweight shoe built for serious speed and efficiency. Number 4. LAMEDA Pro Cycling Shoes, ES015. The LAMEDA ES015 is made for riders who want better performance than basic cycling shoes without paying premium prices. It features a carbon fiber outsole that increases stiffness and improves power transfer, making pedaling more efficient during climbs and fast rides. The upper is made from PVC material, which offers durability along with some water resistance and breathability. The fit feels secure and performance-oriented, though it tends to run slightly small. It performs best for fitness cycling, group rides, and regular training sessions. Pros: carbon sole, durable upper, good power transfer, breathable design. Cons: slightly tight sizing. Who's it for? Fitness riders and improving cyclists. Final verdict: a solid mid-range shoe with good performance and durability. Number 5. Shimano RC100 Road Cycling Shoes. The Shimano RC100 is a beginner-friendly road cycling shoe designed for riders who want comfort, stability, and reliable performance. It features a fiberglass-reinforced nylon sole that provides a good balance between pedaling efficiency and everyday comfort. The shoe uses a simple Velcro strap closure system for quick adjustments and a secure fit. Its breathable synthetic upper with ventilation holes helps improve airflow and reduce heat buildup during rides. The fit feels comfortable and easy to adapt to, making it a great choice for new cyclists. While it doesn't offer the stiffness of premium carbon-soled models, it delivers smooth and dependable performance for training, commuting, and recreational riding. Pros: comfortable fit, easy Velcro adjustment, breathable upper, reliable Shimano quality. Cons: not as stiff as performance-level cycling shoes. Who's it for? Beginners and casual road cyclists. Final verdict: a durable and comfortable entry-level cycling shoe that offers excellent value for everyday riders. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.